Thanks, Troy.
Hey Amanda, I was in the gate at 8:57 from 726, bin 104, Gross 45 140, Tear 20 540, tailgate closed.
Thanks, Troy. I'll get you to go out to 303, please.
Copy that, 303.
Thank you.
Catch ya.
See ya.
Well, g'day everybody, how you doing? I thought, since I brought a different car to work today, and I had a camera in that car, I'd set it up and get a video of the Benz here to show you how this thing gets along the road. So, just heading out on a run now, and yeah, just gonna have a look. Out the gate. Probably the one thing I do like most about this truck is how quiet it is. Still a little bit noisy compared with some DAFs and stuff like that, but yeah, it's rides pretty good, nice and quiet, and yeah, you can make phone calls, listen to the stereo, whatever, and at least you can bloody hear yourself. You don't have to yell, you don't have to be straining to hear over the noise of the engine or anything like that, so it's not a bad rig. Unfortunately, I haven't got it set up well, the weight balance on this. There's not a lot of weight on the steer, only 5.2 tonne on the steer, and when you load it, it's actually taken about 60 kilos off the steer, even though the turntable's centred on the drive. It needs to come, the bloody, yeah, the turntable needs to come forward about 4 inches to put a bit more weight on it. So in a straight line, the thing steers like a dream, but it doesn't steer around corners all that well. T-bone out across the top. But yeah, I mean, the controls in the truck are very basic, really. Look at the layout of the computer system on the dashboard, and that's really easy to navigate your way through. There's nothing difficult about it, that's for sure. And one of the best things I like about this truck, the adaptive cruise control does actually put the brakes on and will actually stop you in the event of somebody pulling out in front of you, or you're coming up on a vehicle that's travelling at a very, very much slower rate than what you are. The truck detects that straight away, and it'll brake automatically, not like the Volvos that I've been driving. They just flash a red warning up to tell you that a collision is imminent, and you still have to take, you're the one that actually has to take action and stop the vehicle, whereas this one will do it all automatically brake the vehicle. So yeah, it's pretty good like that. I'm pretty happy with it. Anyway, I can't complain. Anyway, hopefully I'll be able to get a few videos today doing different things with the truck and show you how it all works. And yeah, enjoy your weekend. Oh well, we've got a bin on, fully loaded. Probably grossing about 45.5 tonne approximately, and yeah, we'll go for a drive off the farm here and back out onto the highway. Being a Saturday, plenty of bloody traffic to deal with, tourists everywhere. Yeah, good stereo in this truck too. I've got my USB stick in there at the moment. Good radio, easy to, different menus and stuff on it, very easy to set up the Bluetooth,
the thing?
Bluetooth for your phone and stuff like that. So yeah, no, the old stereo works pretty good, I like it. And I said the truck's that quiet, you don't actually have to turn it up loud because you can hear it. There's not much noise in the bloody truck. But anyway, hopefully we'll have no traffic. Spoke too soon. Rightio. Now it's a bit of a pull out of here, out of this driveway. Taking off in first gear. said the truck's pretty comfortable. The seat's nowhere near as good as an Isri or like a seat in a Volvo, but it's still pretty good. And I just like it for the fact that it's nice and quiet and comfortable and plenty of power. It's got more power than the Kenworths. The Kenworths have got ISM 11s in them, rated at about 410. This is supposed to be 460 horsepower, so they're probably about 420 real horsepower. And yeah, no, it goes pretty good. I don't mind driving it at all. Well, I just tried out the navigation system in the truck here, Mercedes-Benz Navi system, and I tell you what, it's absolute shit. It's one of the worst I have ever used. I think I'd have to sit down and read an instruction manual for a month just to work out how to get it working properly. But yeah, it's, from what I can see, absolute crap. I don't know why trucking companies decide to go with inventing their own system when they could just go to Garmin or somebody like that that's been doing it for years and knows what they're doing and would actually have a good system. Instead they invent some shit that looks like it's 50 years old. But anyway, there's got to be good and bad and everything. I thought I'd make a quick video of the steering wheel and the controls and that of the truck. Out the gate. Yeah, pretty much like most new European trucks and even some American trucks, all your controls for driving the truck are pretty much on the steering wheel or on the steering column. This particular one, the Gearshift Mechanism, as you've seen in an earlier video of mine, is here. Right hand stalk. Basically that there is for your gears to go forward, reverse, up, down, change between manual and automatic, and it's also your engine brake. On the other side you've got the wipers. They're rain sensing wipers, 2-speed rain sensing plus low and high normal indicators and low and high beam. And then all your controls on the steering wheel are for the telephone, for your cruise control, for your speed limiter, for setting up your proximity for your cruise control, stuff like that. And then on here, on this side, you've got an OK button, like an enter button, and all the arrows, T-bone out to the bottom, which basically is used to navigate the different menus on the computer system on the dashboard. So yeah, no, it's a pretty good system actually. Once you get over like the Ivecos, the cruise control will actually work down to 15 kilometers an hour on these trucks, which is another amazing feature for when you're in depots or on farm roads and you've got to go nice and slow. You can just set the cruise control at 15 k's an hour and she just putts along nicely. Yeah, besides that, once you're over 15 k's an hour, once you've actually got the cruise control put on, like I'll put it on here now, that's it. All my feet are off the pedals and I can actually drive the truck via the steering wheel. I can change gears. I can basically, if I wanted to, if I had no legs, I could probably still drive the truck now because I've got trailer brakes here, I've got engine brake there, accelerator here, up and down, and gear shift. So yeah, you could actually drive this thing without putting your feet on the floor, but you do need it to get up to 15 kilometers an hour. The cruise control won't work under 15, so once you're over 15 k's an hour, it's drive by hand. So yeah, that's another just another quick video of the steering wheel and the dash, and yeah, the controls on this beast.